What happens when magenta meets the sky? Let's find out. Welcome back to the Art of Yayomi. Today I'm creating on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using Liquid-X, fluid acrylics, medium magenta, light blue, and titanium white. I wanted this piece to feel like air meeting emotion. For anyone new to this, fluid art is a form of abstract painting that uses liquid paint to create flowing, unpredictable patterns. It's all about movement, energy, and emotion. The paint becomes your voice. And acrylic pouring is one of the most popular techniques in fluid art. Instead of using brushes, we pour layers of acrylic paint mixed with a pouring medium onto the canvas. Then we tilt, blow, or move the paint using air or gravity to guide the flow. Every pour tells its own story. No two are ever the same. It's freedom, it's flow, and it's pure creation. I begin with a medium magenta base, and then I spread white and blue puddle pours across the canvas. These colors represent passion, peace, and clarity. When they merge, they create a rhythm that feels like taking a deep breath for your soul. Liquitex paints are known for their consistency and rich pigments, perfect for creating fluid art that moves beautifully with air. Magenta adds vibrancy, blue brings softness, and white gives space for light to travel. Then, using a blow dryer, I gently push the paint outward. The goal is movement, not force. You want the air to dance with the paint, not dominate it. And just when you think the colors are done flowing, they whisper to each other, forming new shapes you couldn't have planned. That's the beauty of fluid art. It teaches you to let go and trust the process. The colors have a language of their own. Using Liquid-X pouring medium helps create smooth transitions and a glossy finish once dry. It also prevents cracking and helps cells form naturally. If you try this yourself, use small bursts from the blow dryer. Angle it slightly to the side to guide direction without splashing. Less is more. And here it is, an abstract creation where magenta meets the sky and air becomes part of the art. If this piece inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share what emotions or shapes you see in the final pour. Remember, stay creative and keep painting.